Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Charlie from InquisitorMaster. So let's get started. To draw cute Charlie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And then from there, let's come right across, about right here, and draw another circle. Now that I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. So now that I'm drawing it, and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So because I'm drawing this chibi style, the eyes are a lot further apart because we're going to make the face a lot wider and shorter. And of course the eyes are a lot bigger too. So lots of shading in here for the eyes. Okay, now that we have the eyes finally in, we're going to come to the sides right here and let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a thick lash and maybe another one smaller. So same thing here, thicker one and a smaller one. And then with these lashes, let's come to the center, and about right here, I'm just going to draw this cute little wobbly mouth. So about right here, and I'm going to wobble towards the center and then wobble out. So very anime mouth. Very cute, right? Then from there, we're going to have to frame the face. It's a little bit different, not just like drawing a bottom of a U, because she has hair to the sides of her face. But it's almost the same. Let's come back to where her eyes are and really close to these lashes. I'm just going to come right here and tentatively, as if I'm drawing the bottom of a U, I'm just going to go ahead. Well, you know what? Let's do that. Let's go ahead and draw a bottom of a U. I think it'll be a lot easier. So let's come right here. I think we can do it. But really close to the eye, and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Right, small little point, and from there I'm going to connect a curve towards the bottom right here, toward point there. And so we're going to do the same thing here and connect. So this part is very delicate. So it definitely takes some time. So now that we have this framed in, let's go to the top of her eye, right in this area, right above. And we're going to start to draw a curve that comes all the way across. So about right here for her bangs. But as we go across, we're just going to stop here and there and just put in a little notch. So keep going. So say about right here, just add a little notch. Center. And then on this side, we're going to go the other way. Notch this way. And one more. Add one more right here and then come down there. So we framed her face at the top with the bangs. So let's bring this curve out, and same thing here. Okay, then from there we're going to have to draw her hat, right? So let's say, imagine about right here. I'm going to come out to this curve, and about right here I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right over her head towards the center, right there, and then I'm going to bring it down to about right. So I'll just drag a point across to about right here. So this is going to be the top of her, the bottom of her hat. So I'm just drawing this big curve over her head. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to round this off and draw another curve. So this is the lip of her beret kind of style hat. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to pop this, come in a little bit, and we're going to pop in a curve. So same thing over here, just draw a curve, and then we're going to go up and just go a little bit higher towards the top, about right here, and then we're going to bring it down and connect. Then from there, let's come to the top right here on the side. We're going to draw this little stem and a leaf and bring it in. There, so cute, right? Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We can come back in this area. So the reason we came out wider is because we have to draw the size of her hair. So just gonna come right here and here and draw a curve. And let's see, and then let's not forget her eyebrow. So right over her eye, in her bangs, we're gonna come right here and just draw a curve. That's the nice thing about anime, right? You can just draw curves, right, eyebrows right over the hair, and it'll still make sense. Okay, so we have the two curves in, and let's just bring in some lines here and here. Add more texture. And now, now that we're done with this basic area, so now that we're done with the face, let's go ahead and draw the body before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come right here, and I'm going to draw a little neck and bring it down for her shoulders. So right here, and same thing here. And let's come back into this area where her neckline is. We're going to draw a curve, and let's come right here, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes down on both sides for her little dress that she's wearing, and then connect it. This little opening part. And I'm going to come right here for a strap, come down. So this is kind of like where her armpit area would be. And we're just going to flare it out. There. And let's come back for some details. So right in this area, I'm going to draw a circle for her bow. And I'm going to pop in this bow right in here. And draw a little center crease, and then the tail. Just fit it right inside. And then now we can go ahead and finish her dress. So let's bring this out. Just flare it out. And say about right there. And now that nice and even, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. With a curve going all the way across. So it's just a very simple dress. And then let's come to the bottom right here, and I'm going to quickly draw a bunch of curves going all the way across for some detail. There. And then now we can go ahead, and now that we're down here, let's go ahead and draw her legs. So let's have them kind of pointed towards each other. So let's say about right here and here. And let's work on this foot first. So I'm going to come down with a slight angle coming in and right here. And we're going to get thinner as we come down. So bring this down. And about right there, I'll stop. And if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. I'm going to stop about right here because there's this bow I need to draw because it pops out. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw this bow after. So then I'll just draw in the little tail right here. And so just imagine this continuing, and we're going to bring out a curve. Don't pass the center, so about right there. I'm going to curve it in. Then right here, connect. There. And then come in this space and just draw a curve to finish it off. And a little crease. And let's see, let me draw a sock right here. And since I'm here, before I forget, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw this band-aid that she has. There. And now the same thing on the other side. So let's go ahead. So this side, we're just basically going to follow exactly the other side. About right here. And once again, I'm going to stop about right here and pop out this bow. And bring this curve in towards the center, curve. And connect. And then right here, just draw a curve to finish it off. And then once again, a pair of socks right here. Okay, so now we're done with that. Let's draw her arms. So her arms, I thought would be really cute to just have them in the back. So let's come right here if you want to do that, or you can just have them come out, but I'm gonna have them come tucked behind her back. So about right here, and bring this in, and in this area, I'm just gonna go ahead and angle it down. So right about there. So not too low, not too high. Just kind of imagine if her hand be about right here, her elbow would be right about the center. So just play around with it and then bring it in. There, so hopefully that looks like her hand is towards her back. And then let's see, let's go ahead and finish the rest of her gorgeous hair. So the main strand is this one right here. So I'm gonna bring this down. And about right here, I'm gonna curve out. Come back here. And we're just gonna go ahead and thicken it up. And then there's this other main strand right here that's right to her face. And once again, just like the other side, we're going to thicken it up. There. And so let's finish up the rest of her hair. I'm going to bring this down. And then here and there, I'll just add another strand. Tuck it in. And let's just keep building. So about right here. It's all up to you how complicated you want to make her hair. But about right there, I'll stop. And then just tuck it in. So same thing over here. You're gonna add a strand about right here. And change it up, bring in another one. Coming down about right here. And tuck this part in. So just change up the strand so it's not, so it's a little bit more different on both sides. Okay, and now a little strand here. You can just do this when you're coloring, but that's pretty much it for her hair. So she has these details right here on her skirt. I'm going to come here really quickly and do that. And so I'm going to come right about here, draw a little ear. I think it's a squirrel, right? And the part of the face. And very lightly draw this little nose, and the mouth, and then the eye right here. And then the tail. So I'm just going to come right here and curve around back to this area. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here, little ear, and same thing. So little nose right here, curve out, and the eyes, and the tail. There, so hopefully I've captured that correctly. And I need to add a heart, so I think let's just add it like right, where should we add her heart? Right here in the center? Okay, let's do that. So they're all done. I really hope you love how my version of Charli here turned out from InquisitorMaster, and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.